tu urođena. Pristao i strašno uspešno njegov mati. A ostali svi bili su zajedno s njim u ropstvo glavi. Ali tamo su se ga 6.000 vojnika spram 23.000 krvi.
I really enjoyed it. I didn't understand the language, but I really enjoyed it. Yeah, very, very good.
Meni je stvarno bilo jako enjoyable.
It's hard enough to understand in English Shakespeare, so it doesn't matter. You know, it's all about the physicality, and I thought they did a great job. I thought they were brilliant. Yeah.
Very nice, very good company, and very good play. Very, very powerful. Yes, impressive.
It's great, great. I really like it.
It's a new experience to me, and I have to cope with it as a big experience. Yeah.
Fantastic actors and a brilliant piece of theatre, and I'm an actor as well. I found it really inspiring.
First class performance of Henri VI Part 1. This is very, very good. I hope they come again every year back to London.
That we have presented Henri VI Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3 in that theatre. We will always remember them. We will remember the Serbian company for your incredible vision and for your theatricality and for the wonderful way in which you told that story. You've come here and you've helped us tell our own story. And you've helped us telling our own story by bringing your history with you. So thank you for coming from the places you've come and for bringing your history here to us.